Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nikki. If this is your first time, welcome. Happy to have you here. Please remember to subscribe, and if this is not your first time and you haven't subscribed, please do so today. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a wrap blouse with belt. Please stay tuned and enjoy. So here I have my fabric. Definitely you can make use of any type of fabric you want. I have my fabric, my tape measure, scissors and roller. So after that, the next thing is I'm going to fold the fabric into two, which I have done already. Get my bust measurements. I'm going to divide it by 2, so that's what I'm going to be using. So measure the blouse length where I want my blouse to get to. Thereafter I cut it out, as you can see in this video. So I divided it into 2 because it's a wrap blouse. The front is going to be a cross V neck actually. So then I'm going to be measuring the neckline. Depends on how wide you want your neck to be. So I used 8 here, 8 for my neck. So from the edge of that the down part of the fabric to where I've measured, I'm going to rule a slant line, which gives me the results as you are seeing in this video. Then I'm going to pin it down because the fabric is kind of slippery, it's just moving here and there, so and this can cause me to have a mistake. So I'll be pinning it down just to avoid it moving about. The next thing is to cut to measure your shoulder. My shoulder is 16. Then the armhole. Then I curved the armhole to the shoulder measurement. I'll be using a French curve to get the curve I want in that armhole. So that's the result. Then I'm going to be shaping out this fabric here. I'm going to be shaping out. That's the waist I'm trying to get the measurement. Then I'm going to be making a slant for that down part. As you can see, as I've done, I measured 1.5 inches, so it's going to be slant. It's not just going to be straight like that. The next thing now is I'll be using this front body to cut out the back. After that, I'll be tracing out the back and the armhole for the back. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done. The next thing is to cut out the belt. I don't want the belt to be equal slants, as you can see. The next thing is for you to cut the sleeve. I'll be using a 12 by 38 inches sleeve. Now it's time for the joining. I'm not going to be using bias or lining for this blouse. I'm just going to be turning it in by ½ inch. Now I'm joining the belt. The belt is going to be on both edges of the dress, and one of the side of the dress is going to be having a hole where one of the belts can come out through, and you can always tie to the back or the front. So the next thing is to also tape the sleeve. So I'll be folding it in by 1 inch. The 1 inch is for the elastic, because the sleeve is going to be having elastic band, so I'll be using 10 inches elastic band. So this is what it's going to look like after you have joined and included your elastic. The next thing now is to join it to the bodice, to the main bodice of the blouse. Definitely we're going to have excess on the sleeve, so at the top of the sleeve we're going to be having either gathered or pleats, whichever one you prefer. Yippee, this is the result of our wrap blouse. Try it at home and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week.